Welcome to the official ATMC platform. In today's video I will be showing you how to use our software HotelSoft. So to download the software and to create a company, you can watch our video upon installation. So let's start with the demo of this software. To open the software, double click upon the desktop icon HotelSoft and click upon continue, and the software will open. Here I have already created so many companies, so let me select Foodie Zone, enter default ID and password, press enter, and you will be logged into the main screen of the software. So this demo will cover all the aspects of the restaurant management. The hotel management part is covered in the other video. So if you want to manage your hotel part, so you can simply watch our another video. So when you own a restaurant, the first thing that we need to do is to add the menu to the software. So to do that, click upon masters, click upon item, and this will show the items book. It will list all the items that are already been added to the menu card in the software. So to add the new item, click upon new and select its variety. So here I am writing taco. So its group name, it will come. If it is there, it is okay. If it is not, then press function key F3 and add the group name. So I write demo group, press save, click OK, and this is how the demo group item group entry will be done. So select demo group from here, select the quantity, the portion size of it, and add the amount to be charged. So let's suppose I write 250 for table service, 500 for room service, 300 is for packaging, home delivery is 350, bar it costs rupees 600, and point of sale is 550, right? Then save it, and the item will be, it already exists. So let me write taco 1. So click upon save, and this is how the item will be saved to the item list. So this is showing this way. Fine. Once we are done with the items, let me show you how to create the tables. So click upon masters, go to tables, and the create table dialog box will open. So click upon new and enter the table number. So I am writing 401, which has the capacity of 8 people, and serial number will show the location of the table in the physical space. So let's suppose I write it at 8th position and click upon save, and this is how the table will be saved. So once we are done with it, let me show you how to create the waiters list. So to do that, click upon masters and click upon waiter. This will show the waiter list that are already working in your restaurant. So to add a new one, click upon new and add the waiter's detail. So supposingly here I write Bunty, and I will add other details, and I can also add these photographs by clicking upon select photo, and it will take the photograph over here, and your database will be maintained. So click upon save, and the waiter list will be updated. So I added Bunty, and here it is showing. So this is how you can add the waiters. Now once we are done with it, let me show you how to take orders. So to do that, click upon entries and click upon table dashboard. So this dashboard can be used by touchscreen also and by mouse clicking also. So this table dashboard will show you all the tables that are available in your restaurant, and the tables which are in red color will show the occupied one, and green shows the available one. So let me take a 401 table. So double click upon it, and its KOT will open. So let's suppose waiter is James, and it is new KOT, and table is 401. Select it and add the item name. So I am writing here pizza, quantity is 1, add it and save it. So this is how the KOT will be saved. If you want to get it, it will ask for printing, since this is a demo software and we do not have crystal reports ready, so it will not be shown upon here. But once you buy our software, we'll get it done it for you. So again we'll go to dashboard. Now if table 101 is ordering something, so either double click upon it or either select the table and press KOT button over here, so the KOT will open. Again what we need to do is to select the waiter, select new KOT, select table number. So in this case we are taking 101 and the table has ordered iced tea, quantity is, let's suppose 2, and click upon save, and this is how the KOT will be saved. So once we are done with it, so let me show you how to generate the bill. So let's suppose 101 is asking for bill, so select it and click upon food bill, and everything would be taken upon automatically. So click upon save and the bill entry will be saved. If you want to get it printed, click upon yes, otherwise click upon no. And again the bill format is completely customizable, and if you wanted to get it customized according to you, we can surely do it for you. Now supposingly 401 table wants to change the table, the person is not feeling comfortable, so to do that, select the table and click upon change table. It will ask you for the table option, so I am selecting 105, click upon apply, and the table will be changed automatically. Now after this, again if you want to generate the bill, simply click upon it and click food bill, and it will generate the food bill for the table number 105. Click upon save, and this is how the bill entry will be done. So if you want to get it printed, click upon yes, otherwise no. And if there is any case in which only packaging is being done, no one is using your table, so go upon entries, click upon KOT and enter the other, click upon new, enter other details and select packaging, and here I am writing coffee, select it, press 1. So let me change it, Maggie, okay, pasta I take. So this is how the packaging KOT will be done. Save it, cancel it. Now for billing purpose, for billing you go to entries, press bill and click upon new, select packaging and bill number. Here it will show the KOTs on packaging. Select it, click upon save, and the bill entry would be done for the packaging type. So this is how the software is used. We tried covering all the important points. Still, if there are any queries or doubt, please feel free to contact our team at given contacts. Have a good day.